Guys, welcome back. Today we are going all the way to Ethiopia. We are making Doro Wat. Doro Wat is a rich, spicy chicken stew made with lots of onions, Berbere spice, and finished with boiled eggs. Okay, it's traditionally served with injera, and trust me, the flavor is deep, bold, and absolutely delicious. So let's dive right in. Alright, so to start preparing the eggs, I'm adding 4 eggs to a saucepan and I'm going to cover them with water. We'll transfer the saucepan to the stove top and let the eggs cook until they are hard boiled. Now we'll work on our onions. I'm using 4 to 5 red onions. Since I don't want my eyes to burn while chopping, I'm using my food processor to do the job. Once the onions are nicely chopped, I'll go ahead and add it to my saucepan. So once our onions are in the saucepan, I'll transfer it onto my stove top. At this stage, do not add oil yet. Keep stirring the onions from time to time and allow them to cook down and release their natural moisture. So while the onions are cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my chicken. I have here some clean skinless chicken. Okay, you want to make sure that your chicken is very well cleaned. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken with some salt, black pepper, and all-purpose season, which you don't need to. You can just season it with just salt. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and set it aside. And guys, at this moment, our eggs are ready. I'll go ahead and place them in cold water. We'll go peel the eggs and gently poke small slits into them. This helps the eggs soak up all that amazing sauce. Now back to the onions. Once the onions are fully cooked and most of the moisture has evaporated, I'll go ahead and add in half cup of oil. Add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of Berbere spice. Followed by 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. I'm also adding a little ghee for extra flavor. If you have the Ethiopian spice butter, you can use it. We'll go ahead and fry everything for a few minutes. We'll stir well and add salt to taste. My next step is to add in my seasoned chicken. Once our chicken is all in, I'll go ahead and add in some water, about 1/3 cup. Give everything a good mix and add in my makalasha. I'm going to give it a good stir and let it cook over medium heat for about 45 minutes. Be sure to check it from time to time so it doesn't stick to the pan or burn. And guys, 35 minutes later, go in with our prepared eggs and mix everything together gently and allow the stew to cook for additional 10 minutes. Guys, that is it. Your Doro Wat is ready. This stew is so versatile. Traditionally, they enjoy it with injera, but we'll be having this stew with my rice. It's so delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. And to my Ethiopians, let me know how I did in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another delicious recipe, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.